Welcome to my channel, where we empower and inspire you to live your best life and to pursue your dreams. Hi there. Welcome to today's video where we'll be diving into the fascinating world of the law of relativity. Did you know that the way you view the world can have a profound impact on your reality? That's right, the way you perceive things shapes your experiences and outcomes in life. And it all comes down to one universal principle, the law of relativity. So, let's get started and discover how to harness the power of this amazing law to create a life full of joy, abundance, and success. The law of relativity states that everything is relative to our perception. This means that our experiences and outcomes in life are shaped by the way we view the world. Our perspectives and beliefs determine what we attract into our lives. So, if we want to change our reality, we must first change the way we see things. But how do we do that? The first step is to become aware of our limiting beliefs and negative thought patterns. These limiting beliefs hold us back from reaching our full potential and living the life we truly desire. Once we identify them, we can then start to shift our perspectives and adopt a more positive and empowering outlook on life. Let's look at a few examples. If we view the world as a scary and dangerous place, we will attract negative experiences and hardships. However, if we see the world as a beautiful and abundant place, we will attract positivity and prosperity into our lives. Another example is how we see ourselves. If we believe that we are not good enough or that we will never achieve our dreams, we will attract failure and disappointment. But, if we see ourselves as worthy and capable, we will attract success and fulfillment into our lives. The law of relativity is a powerful law that can shape our reality in many ways. By changing the way we see things, we can shift our perspectives and attract positivity, abundance, and success into our lives. So, take some time to reflect on your own beliefs and thought patterns and start to adopt a more empowering and positive outlook on life. Trust me, the results will be life-changing. Thanks for tuning in. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more videos on self-improvement and personal development.